Have you ever looked around the Windscribe Android app and thought to yourself, what exactly is split tunneling, and how does it work? Well, if so, you've come to the right place. Split tunneling is the ability to decide which specific internet traffic uses Windscribe and which uses your regular internet connection. Normally, when you connect to Windscribe, all of your internet traffic on that device goes through the VPN tunnel to our servers and out to the internet. However, you might not want this to be the case for every app, so by using split tunneling, you can actually decide which specific apps go through the VPN and which ones don't. For example, let's say you didn't want traffic from the Chrome app going through the VPN, but you still want everything else to. No problem, just add Chrome here to the split tunnel list, and every time it communicates with the internet, it'll do so over your own personal IP, completely bypassing the VPN. We call this mode exclusive split tunneling, meaning it excludes whichever apps you choose from using the VPN. The opposite of this is called inclusive split tunneling, which, you guessed it, allows you to include apps for the tunnel, while everything else stays out and uses your regular connection and IP. Enabling split tunneling on Android is super easy. First, open up the Windscribe app on your device, then hit the Preferences menu up here, followed by this Connection submenu here, and select split tunneling. From here, flip that split tunneling switch to on, then select which mode you want to use, exclusive or inclusive. Then, most importantly, select which apps you want to add to your split tunneling list. There are actually a couple of ways to add apps to split tunneling. You can either scroll through this list of all the apps in your device and select the ones you want to add to split tunneling, or you can use the search feature up here to speed things up. Any app that's currently in your split tunneling list will have a green check mark next to it. Back at the main app interface, you'll know split tunneling is up and running when you see this icon here. And if you ever want to remove an app from the split tunnel list, simply make your way back over to the list of apps here and hit the apps you want to remove. And that's it. Simple as that. You're practically a split tunneling expert now. My name's Gary, and I'll see you next time.